just wanted to review for a few of you that may be a bit confused regarding the week 1 task of creating your own folder in our Google Drive. We have a class shared folder titled Student Work. You can see that there. And in that folder, you'll find separate folders for each class period, including period 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and of course, photo 2 and 3. You will select your course folder, and then you'll see that there are already some students. I included an example. Within that example, it says, do not remove or change folders. So please make sure you're not removing or changing folders. But you're going to create your folder by going to the drop-down menu, add a new folder. It's Untitled, so you're going to write your name, last name, comma, first name, and then hit create. You will see it show up, but this folder, because I shared it with you, is located here in the shared with me folder. So I want you to move it to my drive. Super simple. Go back to that drop down menu, add shortcut to drive, and then here you can organize where you want to place it. I have a lot of stuff on my drive, so I organize it based on what's important for me to understand where things are. So most of my school related stuff is in one place. Anyways, super simple.